Hello all, this is Vasagi from Computer Science and Engineering Department. So in this video we are going to discuss about the connections and correlations, how it will be useful for this visual analytics. So in previous video we are discussing about the maps and time series. So followed by we can discuss about connections and correlations, how it is used for the visual analytics. So first one is we have to know about what is connections and correlations. So connection is nothing but how the datas are related to that other value, other point of value. So it may be a scatter plot or else bar chart, pie chart, line chart. So or else in maps, geographical values. So that is consisting as an connections. Second one is the correlations. So correlation is nothing but how much the two set of data change together. If x and y both, if x is change means obviously y should be change, or else y is change means x should be change. How the datas are changed together, two set of datas, how it is changed, that is calculated in a correlations. For example, if you are taking as an height and weight of the data set for adult, so here the if any one boy or girl is in taller, that should be present in a weight is heavier, and as a such two set of data will be correlate highly, so which means the correlation is made in very strong manner. So that is considering as an best one example for correlation. So second one is they are providing a specific example for this. So first one, it is mainly consisting of two types of correlations. One is a Pearson correlation, then second one is a Kendall-2 correlation. So here, if I am taking as an Pearson correlation, which measures the strength of the linear relationship between the variables. So we are already know what is a linear, what is non-linear. So here the Pearson correlation is nothing but it will be measures the strength of the linear relationship between these two variable data sets. The second one is a Kendall-2. This correlation is measure the strength of agreement between two rankings in a data set. If I am taking as an one data set means, so in the data set the two types of ranking both are considering as an correlation value mapping means that will be consistent considering as an the Kendall-2 correlation. So this is the example, so major example for how what are the major difference between the correlation and regression. So in this previous point we are discussing about the linear and non-linear regression. So likewise they are providing the what is the major difference between correlation and regression. So first correlation is we can made a relation. For example, if I am taking an x and y, these two value means these two are should be related with the specific thing, that is considering as a relationship. The next one is variables move together. So obviously x may be increase or y may be increase, x may be decrease, also y may be decrease. So which means variable movement is made in together. The next, x and y can be interchanged. So obviously it will be happen. The value will be replaced from x to y or else y to x. The next one, data represented in a single point, which means line chart. So if you are moving on to the regression, so one affect the other. So it is not related to x and y. It is not combined together. So that is considering as a regression. The next, cause and effect will be made. So it is whatever the if any one event is happening means the cause and effect will be noted in the regression. Third one is x and y cannot be interchanged. The x value should not be replaced with y. Likewise y value not replaced with x. The next one is a data representation by like. So these are all the major difference for the difference between the correlation and regression. The next one is, so these are all the types, what are all the types of correlations, then how it will be mapping for each and every case study. So here the strong positive, moderate positive, weak positive, strong negative, moderate negative, weak negative. So these are all the types of correlations. Thank you.